Latest in Beauty are no longer doing subscription boxes, so this is my last one. This is my February box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So latest in beauty, this is my very last box with them. They are going to continue doing the special, I don't know, limited edition boxes, whatever they call them. They're going to continue doing them, but not the subscription boxes, unfortunately. So yeah, this is my February latest in beauty. Let's unbox the last one. I'm not going to lie, I'm a bit gutted. So I'm not going to give you any details on prices or anything like that because you won't be able to buy it anymore. I can't remember what I've chosen. What I loved about Latest in Beauty was that you could pick your own products. 6 products from a list of products that they had. I really liked that. It just made it different from the other beauty boxes. I'm trying to put everything at the top so we can have a look. And there we go. But let's just dig in and see what I've chosen for my last month. So I've got everything out and we're going to go through everything. One thing I must say, I thought with it being the last box, they would have put a little gift in there, just like thank you for your custom or anything. There's no freebies in this box at all. But never mind. The first product I chose for my box is this. So this is by the brand Sukin, and it is a hair care product, and it's sensitive micellar scalp mask. So it just says on here that it's paraben and silicone free. It's for dry sensitive scalps. It's got chamomile, avocado, maize complex to help soothe and nourish dry scalps and reduce the appearance of dry flakes. So to be honest, my scalp is fine. It's not dry, it's not flaky, but I just love a good mask. Obviously yes, this is for your scalp, but the rest of the hair is going to benefit from it as well, and my hair is dry. So yeah, I cannot wait to put this on. It just says leave on for 1 minute, so quite straightforward and quick and simple. So yeah, that's that one. Bit of a spoiler, the next 5 products in the box are all by the same brand. I saw them and I had to get them as a collection so I could use them all together, but the brand is Skin Chemist London and it's from their youth series. So yeah, I'll just pick up this one and show you. We'll go one by one. So this is the 1% hyaluronic acid day moisturizer. These are all sealed. I'm going to keep them all sealed because when I use them I want to be nice and fresh. So yeah, love using hyaluronic acid on my skin. It plumps your skin out, really good for hydrating and so on. So yeah, can't wait to try that. All these are full size, by the way, and this is 50 mils. Next one we have is this. So this is the 1% hyaluronic acid night moisturizer. If I got the day one, I had to get the night one too. Again, full size product, 50 mils. Next is this. So this is the 1% hyaluronic acid mask. Love a good face mask. So again, had to treat myself to this. Again, full size, 50 mils. The product in the box we have is this. So this is the 1.5% hyaluronic acid facial serum. So those are just 1% and this is 1.5%, so cool. Again, full size product, 30 mils. I love facial serum. Again, I love hyaluronic acid, so I want to slap it on my face. Yeah, and the very last item we have in the box is this. And again, this is the 1.5% hyaluronic acid eye serum. So again, full size product. This one's 15 mils. Love a good eye serum, and yes, you can use face creams and whatnot under your eyes and serums and everything, but you can also use eye serums and creams all over your face, although normally it's more cost effective to just get a face cream because anything to do with the eyes are smaller in size and generally really bloody expensive. But I do love it. I do love using eye stuff because it just makes me feel a bit more bougie. But yeah, we got something for the eye then. Hopefully it's going to help this situation. I need major help. So yeah, can't wait to actually use that. So yeah, this is my February latest in beauty box. My last ever beauty box. that I'm going to be unboxing from them, which is a bit sad, but what do you think? Personally, I actually really love what I've chosen. I'm really glad to have chosen a full routine for my face, basically. The only thing I'm missing is a cleanser, but minus that, yeah, I've got a whole routine there, and I've got a nice little treat for my hair there too, by Sukin. So yeah, I'm just really gutted the latest in beauty has come to an end. As I say, they are still doing their like collection boxes that they do. I've never really bought one before, if I'm honest. Don't know if I will in the future. Never say never. If one catches my eye, maybe. But yeah, very sad. I like how we got to choose the 6 products from the list of products that they had, but it is what it is. What are your thoughts on latest in beauty not doing the subscription boxes anymore? I know there's lots and lots of you out there that have been with them for years. I think I've been, is it 2 years? Just over 2 years I've been getting this box. It's sad, it's gutting, never mind. Plenty more boxes in the sea. Yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.